Hello. Today we're going to learn how to create your own unique embroidery designs with one of my new build your own sets. This is called Christmas and it is based off of uh, things like limbs and ornaments and things like this. Here are some of the limbs. You'll see that there's actually 6 of them, but they're in 3 different sizes for each one. So let's get started. First thing that we're going to do is we're actually in the Embroidery editor, we're going to open up one of the limbs. So let's just go with limb 3 right now. That's a nice little limb, and I can left click it and drag it where I want to be and say I want to possibly add another limb onto it. So let's look at the limbs. First we can go and look in the folder and see what we have, and I think limb 1 will actually work very well with it. So we will go ahead and merge limb 1 in, and let's see how limb 1A, that might be a little large. So we will delete this by right clicking and doing delete. So we will merge in 1B. Oh, that's even larger. So let's just try 1. There we go. So that'll work. We can just kind of merge it on here. And if you look, that's how the design will be. Okay, so we've got our design here, and the next thing that we're going to do will be to lay on an ornament. So let's merge, go up to the Pez directory. Pez is what I use, so that's what I'm doing. I have EXP, Huss, Jeff, VIP, and the Singer XXX format. So let's go into ornaments. Let's do ornament 8 and see what it looks like. So click it, do OK. That's a little large, so we'll delete it. Merge. Let's try 8A. That's a smaller design, so we'll put it right here. Let's go in and go ahead and grab another ornament. So if you want to see what they look like, if you have Embroidery, you can go into the directory if you have the iconizer for Embroidery. And let's pull in ornament 4A. So 4A. That's a nice size, and we can get it over here. Now we'll need to put the little stringers that you hang from the tree. So I call them danglers, and they're in the folder called dangler. And let's look at dangler 1. That could work. We could put it here, and then what you would do is move the ornament down to make sure that it reaches. There's 3 sizes, and this is the longest. So next we're going to merge in another dangler for the other ornament, and let's try 4C. That'll work nice. So we'll put it up here, and then again take this ornament and move it up to where it's touching, like it's actually hanging off of that. Now say I want to put in a snowflake or 2. So we'll go up to the Pez, we'll go to the snowflakes, and let's pull in snowflake 7A. That's a cute little design. You could put it up here. Let's merge in another one. Snowflake 2. Oops. And there's snowflake 2. We can have it here. Say, do you want to add a Christmas light to it? If you do, merge in, go to your lights. Let's get the red bulb A. That's a cute little light. We can put him here. Looks like a little light's hanging off, or we could stick him on the very end. That way, I mean, you can look at your hoop. make sure it's going to fit. This is currently setting at a 5x7 hoop, so let's see if it fits in. No, it's a little large for this hoop, so what I will do, I have the capability of using a larger hoop. My largest is a 200 by 300. So what I will do is I will change that, and it gets everything in there. So all I have to do now is do a file save as. I use PES format, so I've got it selected. You would use the format that you do. It's going to ask what I want to save the file design as. I don't want to overwrite any of my original download files, so I'm going to call this unique Christmas, and I'm going to save it. The next thing it's going to say, it will save all of these objects into a single file. I'm going to say OK, and this is just a question that it asks because I'm using a larger hoop than I normally use. I give it the file version that I want, and that's it. So you can make these your own. You can use your own colors, your own fabrics, make them all unique. You don't have to have the lights. You don't have to have the snowflakes. Play around and enjoy. Like and subscribe, and if you have any other thoughts of build your own type sets that you would like to see, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thanks very much, and we'll talk again later. Bye.